Hi Sam. I hope you're doing well today.
Hi Alex. I'm excited for our lesson. What word are we learning today?
Today we're diving into the verb.
Eintreten.
It means to enter or to join, and it's often used in contexts like entering a room or joining an organization.
That's interesting. Are there different meanings for
eintreten?
Yes, there are. The most common meaning is to enter, like when you walk into a place. Another meaning is to join, as in becoming a member of a group. Just be careful, it can be confused with the false friend,
To intrude.
which has a negative connotation in English.
Got it. How about the grammar rules for this verb?
Great question.
Eintreten.
Is a separable verb, so in the present tense, you would say,
Ich trete ein. Du trittst ein.
and.
Sie, es tritt ein.
In the past tense, you would use,
Ich trat ein.
and for the perfect, it's,
Ich bin eingetreten.
the imperative form is.
Tret ein.
For informal situations,
So it's a bit like saying step in English.
exactly. It's quite similar.
That's helpful. Is there any interesting history behind
Eintreten.
Yes, there is. The word comes from the Old High German,
Eintreten.
which means to step in. Over time, the meaning evolved, but it kept the idea of entering or stepping into something. It's fascinating how these words develop.
I love that. It gives the word more depth.
Now let's break the word down. The prefix
Ein.
means in or into, and the root
Treten.
means to step. So when you combine them, it literally means to step into something.
That's a clever way to think about it.
Absolutely. And since
Eintreten.
is not a compound noun, we don't have to worry about the head last rule here.
Can you give me some similar words too?
Eintreten.
Sure. For verbs with the prefix,
Ein.
we have,
Einsteigen.
which means to get in, and,
Einladen.
meaning to invite. Both follow the same pattern. For nouns, we have,
Eingang.
meaning entrance, and,
Einladung.
for invitation. There's also the adjective,
Einzel.
which means individual, and its comparative form is,
Einzelner.
Wow, that's a lot of examples.
Let's practice using
eintreten,
in real-life situations. Imagine you're at a meeting. You could say,
ich trete in die Besprechung ein.
meaning I am entering the meeting. Can you try that?
Ich trete in die Besprechung ein.
I think I got it.
Perfect. Now, how about at a party? You might say,
Ich trete in die Feier ein.
meaning I am entering the party.
Ich trete in die Feier ein.
Great. Lastly, while joining a group, you could say,
Ich trete dem Verein ein.
which means I am joining the club.
Ich trete dem Verein ein.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Now, let's talk about gender. Since
Eintreten,
is a verb, there's no gender to worry about. But if we think of its noun form,
eintreten,
it's neuter, so you would say das eintreten.
That's a useful tip.
You can remember it by picturing someone stepping through a door, which symbolizes entering.
What about usage? Is it formal or informal?
eintreten,
Is mostly neutral, used in both formal and informal contexts. Typical collocations include phrases like
in einen Raum eintreten, in eine Diskussion eintreten,
and
in eine Organisation eintreten.
just remember not to confuse it with,
Einbrechen,
which means to break in.
I'll make a note of that.
Let's put everything together with a few example sentences. For instance,
ich bin gestern in das neue Restaurant eingetreten.
means I entered the new restaurant yesterday.
That sounds nice.
Another example is,
Tritt dem Sportverein ein.
meaning he is joining the sports club.
I can see how these sentences work.
Here's a recall check. What does
Eintreten,
mean?
It means to enter or to join.
Good. What's the present tense form for?
ich.
Ich trete ein.
Correct. How do you say I entered in the past tense?
Ich trat ein.
Well done. What's the past participle?
Eingetreten.
Yes. And finally, give me an example sentence using
Eintreten,
Ich trete in die Schule ein.
I hope that's right.
perfect. You're doing fantastic. To summarize, today we learned about the verb,
eintreten,
its meanings, grammar, and some helpful examples. Just remember to practice, and you'll use this word confidently in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I feel much more comfortable with it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.